Today, I'm gonna be reacting to the most popular fashion hacks on the internet, and then I'm gonna be testing them out myself to see if they actually work and see if they're worth doing so. We're gonna start with the least viral all the way to the most viral fashion hack I can find, with the first one being the hoodie belt trick. I liked cropped hoodies because it has the benefit of making your legs look taller, but cheap hoodies usually never look like that. So let's see, apparently he's gonna do that with a belt. Nah. Alright, that just looks goofy, but let's go test it out. Alright boys, let's give this a shot. So we'll take the belt off from the waist. As you can see, this hoodie has like no waistline whatsoever. So we're supposed to hug the hoodie in the bottom. Let's see. Alright, tighten the belt. Pull the hoodie out. Let's see. Oh, my shorts are kind of low, bro. No, I don't hate the look, bro. Even just reach up your hands, you're gonna look stupid, but the idea works. Would I use it? Probably not. All right, number 2, the Bulletproof Suit. So apparently these guys made a bulletproof suit, almost like the John Wick movies. Okay, that's pretty cool. And honestly, I thought they were gonna use like a small handgun or something, but dude has a full-on rifle going at it. That's sick. All right, let's see if it goes through though. Come on.
Let's look at this one first.
Yo, it didn't even go past the first layer of the suit. If I could buy this, I'd buy it now. I live in New York. I'd be walking around with a suit 24/7. That's sick. Let's move on to number 3, the baggy pants hack. That happens to me all the time. I don't know about you guys, but that loose waist, if it works, that's great because it saves time and money. All right, pants are too baggy. All right, that's too easy. All right, we gotta go test this out. All right, this tip is perfect because I just picked up these shorts from Cool Fondy because I wanted like baggy shorts. And look, bro, I got like 5 inches here. So all you gotta do is you unzip, you take the button, loop it next to the belt loop that's closest to the button on the same side, and then you just close. And dang, not bad, bro. No more empty space. They don't fall down. Okay, I like that. Let's try the next one. Now the second part to fix baggy pants are pants that are scrunching up too much. So to do this, apparently you just do a big cuff like this, kind of where you want it to land on the shoe, right? And then you just start doing multiple rolls until you get to the inside of the pant. So now it has multiple rolls inside. I mean, technically it works. I feel like it's gonna come undone. That's a bad one. 3 out of 10. All right, by this point, you already have 2 hacks that are gonna save you money and make you look better, and one was just cool. But I still have 12 insanely viral fashion hacks that we need to get to the bottom of this. See if this stuff actually works, and they only get more viral from here. Let's move on to number 4, the cleaning white shoe hack. Let's watch. See, I like this, because most guys fall into 3 categories. Either they get dirty and they leave their forces all dirty, or they'll replace their forces as soon as they have a crease, or you could be this guy. So let's go test it out. All right, let's test this out. So I actually even have whitening toothpaste here. I'm gonna up the ante. Hopefully it helps whiten the shoes a bit more. Just start scrubbing. I mean, I see it lifting dirt. I don't know how good. Okay, so it's actually picking up the dirt, but now, moment of truth. Okay? That sucked ass. You can still see the dirt in there. This sucked. 1 out of 10. Number 5. The shirt sleeve hack. Okay. I hate baggy sleeves as well. Usually I'll use like a paper clip or a rubber band, but seems you can just do it with an iron. So let's go test it out on a baggy shirt.
All right, so let's see. All you gotta do is fold once at the seam, then we press down with an iron. Do one more fold. Okay. Moment of truth. Now, I used an oversized shirt just to see how lasting this effect was. Go with a regular, sweetie. This is the custom.
Now, every viral fashion hack up until this point has been under 1 million views. Everything past this will be so viral that they have over 1 million views, with the last fashion hack getting over 14 million views. Let's keep going. This is the necklace length hack.
I have 2 necklaces that are similar length, but you want to wear them together, but they just don't like look right together. This hack is for you.
Okay. So I've always talked about that when you wear necklaces and you stack two of them, it's a great way to level up your style. Let's see how she combines them, like what's gonna be different.
Is to put them on backwards and then connect one to the other. So this lock will go to the other necklace's little chain. So I've turned them back around, and normally they would sit like this, but with our little hack, you can pull and they moved.
That's genius. Yo, we gotta go test this out. All right, so this is simple. You get two necklaces, and you're just gonna put the opposite sides and connect it with each other. This is harder than it looks. Okay, one connected to the other one. All right, we're gonna flip them around. Moment of truth, let's see. Should be able to extend one. Think? Okay. I don't know if my necklaces are too short. I probably should have done a bigger one, but now, actually, that's pretty cool, bro. I kind of like that. Damn, 10 out of 10. Number 7, the electric jacket. Let's see. My jacket's not charged. Yo, what does that even mean, my jacket's not charged? Okay, so the idea is you can charge up the jacket like it's a phone, and then just use a bunch of different settings to heat the jacket. I mean, I guess it's a cool idea, but what if you get wet? You're gonna get shocked. Or what if you need to wash the jacket? I feel like you're gonna be walking around with like a portable sauna. I don't know about that one. Let's move on to number 8, the rolling shirt hack. Let's check it out. All right, okay. So he's cropping his shirt, tucking it in, or rolling it. Okay, seems practical. It's almost like the hoodie trick where it makes your legs look longer, and the idea is your shirt shouldn't come untucked. So let's go test it out. All right, let's give this a shot. So all you gotta do is roll your shirt. The idea with the roll is that it should help keeping your shirt or t-shirt tucked in all day. So roll it up to your waistline, you undo your pants, and then you tuck in the roll. Let's see. Kind of messy because the roll gets undone, but let's see. Push it in. Tuck in the shirt. Oh, damn. 10 out of 10. Number 9, the reverse pant cuff hack.
Don't like the look of regular cuffs? Let me show you the...
I hate him. Yes, I'm with this guy. I kind of hate regular cuffs. I think I overplayed them back in like 2017 to the point that I don't want to even see them anymore.
Take the bottom of your pants and pull them up as if to make a giant cuff. Start rolling your pants down using the bottom hem as a rough guideline. Once you have rolled it to your desired length, pull the cuff down and voila. Clean and effective without any visible prominent bunches of fabric.
That's actually,
what do you think of this?
That looks like you went to the tailor. We gotta test this out. All right, here are the pants. I'm really praying this works because I just got these pants and I don't want to tailor them. So all we gotta do is apparently do one big cuff. All right, so go pretty high, one big cuff. Then we're gonna use that line, that natural line that all pants have as your first guide to cuff once, cuff twice, I'll cuff one more time, and then pull the pants down as you cuff. And there you go. Damn. Wait a minute. Yo, that's clean, bro. Look at the difference. It looks like you just tailored your pants and you don't have that ugly cuff. Yo, let me do it on this side so you can see it too. All right, let me do it one more time. Roll once, roll twice, roll one more time. I love this, bro. Look at this. Nice and clean. The pants look sick. And I got those for like $20 off of Amazon of a brand called Kufandi. And now I don't even have to pay money for the tailor and they look good. Those are the type of brands I like promoting to you guys. And right now, Kufandi is having their Prime Life promotion from July 12th to the 18th. So you have about a week. And you have to understand, their stuff is already crazy affordable. And you can get 2-day shipping with Amazon. Through this promotion, you can get up to 30% off. That is a steal. And most of the items you've seen in today's video, they come from Kufandi. As a matter of fact, most of my wardrobe is from Kufandi when I don't want to spend a lot of money. If you guys want to check them out and get stylish clothes that won't break the bank, click the link down below. Number 10, a 2-second shirt folding hack with almost 6 million views. No way. What type of magic is this, bro? All right, how do you do it? I need a slow replay of that. Okay, he grabs 2 sides. I see. Pinches. Just 3 pinches. What the heck? All right, it can't be that easy. We gotta go test this out. All right, so we have our t-shirt. So all it said to do was pinch the top, pinch the middle, and in the same line, pinch the bottom. Damn. See? Flip over. It worked. 10 out of 10. Number 11, fixing a loose shirt collar hack with almost 8 million views. This has to be good.
Collar or wrist cuffs, because I cannot stand loose wrists. And
That right there, having a bacon neck shirt, it's the worst thing in the world.
because we need to boil the water.
Right,
If you
boil
don't have
the
the
water.
stove, you're going to have to make a fire. While you're waiting for
Rubber
the water to
band.
boil, bunch up the collar of your shirt like so. Then you're going to toss a rubber band on there.
If
wrap
this
it around a
works,
few
he
times.
deserves a Nobel
Once
Peace
the water
Prize.
starts boiling, you're just going to put the collar in. I personally leave it in for about a minute. After that, we're just going to throw it in the dryer. Normal
And put it in the
cycle.
dryer.
And here's the finished product. Looks and fits 10 times
No
better.
way,
I personally hate
bro.
those.
All right, let's go test this out. All right, so here's my loose shirt. Let's test it out. All right, here it comes off. Grab the collar, bunch it up. I have a rubber band here. Rubber band to bunch the collar. And then I'm gonna put it in the boiling water. I'm gonna leave it in the water for about a minute. All right, the minute is up. Again, be very careful. This is boiling hot. This will burn you. You've been warned too. All right, finally, took the rubber band off and we just put it in the dryer and dry up. All right, this is the final result. Not bad. Number 12, a Taylor's Secret zipper repair hack with almost 10 million views. Everyone's been here. Everyone's had a busted zipper like this. So if you can fix this at home, it's gonna be the best tip in this entire video. Okay, he gets a plastic bottle. Easy enough. Okay. Clamps it down. Easy enough. Does the same thing on the other side. This feels like one of those 5-minute crafts videos where it might not actually work. And finally, number 13, the most viral fashion hack on this entire list, the Trinity knot with 14 million views on YouTube. All right, look, I'm the type of guy that I do a basic winter knot anytime I put on a tie. That looks complex. Let's see. All right, he starts with your basic tie. Okay. This is how you do a Windsor. Okay, that is not how you do a Windsor knot. So he starts with a pinch. All right, pulls it through. By the time I'm done with this knot, my girl will be fully ready. She takes like 3 hours to get done in the morning, by the way. Ain't no way I'm putting in this much effort doing a knot. Nah, bro. It looks like you have a rosebud as a tie knot. I mean, it's talented. Would I ever wear that? You're probably not.